Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to sell USDT on Binance P2P. So let's start our video. First, open your Binance app and transfer the amount you want to sell from your future or spot wallet to your funding wallet. Once you're done with that, go to Trade and then tap on the P2P option. In the P2P section, tap on Sell. Now click on the amount field and enter how much USDT you want to sell in your local currency. For example, let's say I want to sell 2000. After entering the amount, tap on Payment Method and choose how you would like to receive the money. For example, the options are Bank, Transfer, Skrill, Cash App, etc. I have selected my payment method. Once you've done that, Binance will show you a list of buyers based on your selected amount and payment method. Choose a verified buyer and tap on Sell. Next, enter the amount in USDT or your local currency again and then click on Place Order. Your order has been now created. You can chat with the buyer using the message box. Now wait for the buyer to send the payment. Once they have sent the money, they will click on Mark is paid and you will see a notification. At this point, open your payment method app and check if you have actually received the money. If the payment has been received, tap on Payment Received in Binance and then confirm the transaction. And that is it. You have successfully sold your USDT on Binance P2P. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.